Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, where we have been able to get above a key area of support that we had lost at around the $0.0639 mark. Here on the daily chart we are also trading above the 20-day MA, meaning it's now acting as support for us to continue pushing even higher. And the good thing is that Hbar has continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And before I get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Hbar, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.58 mark in what I'm terming as a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing low prices in this ABC corrective structure, which has now taken us back to around the $0.0356 mark in what I'm terming as a larger Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the formation of a second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And using the trend based Fibonacci, I have a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $0.9768 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside to do. And that is what I'm expecting to play out here on the Hbar chart on the long-term scenarios. And to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, I'll be jumping here on the 1 hour chart, where you can perfectly see the low that we made at around the $0.0356 mark before we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that is the first wave, then a wave 2, then we have seen the formation of that wave 3. We have also retested in the formation of this wave 4, and I believe whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of the formation of this wave 5 to the upside. And by first showing you that this wave 4 to the lower side has done the minimum that we expect as a fourth wave to the lower side to do, by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gives me a minimum retestment area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which lies between the $0.064 mark and the $0.0588 mark. And it is within this right target area that I was expecting to see the low for that fourth wave to the lower side. And you can see that we have retested back into that red target area, and after seeing the low for that fourth wave to the lower side, I believe whatever we are seeing over here could be the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And here on the daily chart, you can also see that we have managed to get above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, meaning we have the support that we need for us to continue pushing even higher, get to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.0808 mark. So what I'm expecting here on the Hbar chart is a bit of a bounce to the upside, get to the wave 3 high, and once we manage to break above that wave 3 high, then there are chances of fully maximizing our target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and giving you a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 using the trend based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies at around the $0.0892 mark, and that is the minimum that I would expect that larger Elliot wave count 5 to the upside to do. And once we see the formation of that wave 5, then I believe Hbar will be completing a 5-wave structure to the upside. So once we see the formation of that wave 5, then we can name that as a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, and then from there we can expect a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where I will also be expecting to see an ABC corrective structure play out because of the corrective nature of the formation of that wave 2. And once we see the low for that wave 2, then we can expect another bounce to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. So let's continue watching that key area at around the $0.08 mark in case we see a massive bounce to the upside. And once we manage to break above that key area, that is the wave 3 high, then there are chances of fully maximizing our target area at around the $0.0896 mark in the formation of that wave 5 to complete a larger Elliot wave count 1. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the RSI. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 67 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support further movements to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5. And also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices here on the Hbar chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.